Hello YouTube. Today we are going to unbox a Bissell Powerclean Rewind Bagless Upright Vacuum. It has a 3-year limited warranty and it is model 62X5. So pop this thing open and see what it comes with. First thing it comes with on top is the user guide, which comes in handy. We have an attachment brush dash nook cleaner thing that looks like you can just turn to change it from one to the other. Here is the handle, which apparently you have to screw on with the attached screw. As we dig deeper, we find a wand, hose. This is the turbo brush that comes with it. It's got the spinning brush that's an attachment. So let's get the whole unit out here. Okay, this is the actual vacuum itself. 15-inch wide path, 12 amp, maximum power. Let's see what else is inside. Oh, here's the hose attachment. Looks like that is everything that it comes with. On the back, there's nothing else. And it says on here that it comes with the HEPA filter, which is probably inside already.
On the side ring.
This is the HEPA filter. So that's everything.
HEPA.
HEPA filter. So that's it. That's what it comes with.